Jose Maria Tranquilino Francisco de Jesus Velasco Gomez Obregon, generally known as Jose Maria Velasco, was born July 6, 1840 in Temascalcingo, died August 26, 1912 in State of Mexico, was a 19th-century Mexican polymath, most famous as a painter who made Mexican geography a symbol of national identity through his paintings. He was both one of the most popular artists of the time and internationally renowned. Velasco's long career elevated Mexican landscape painting to international standing. One of his landscapes of the Valley of Mexico is in the Vatican Museum, a gift of Pope Leo XIII. His scenes of the Mexican landscape are a visual source for environmental historians, since they show the Valley of Mexico before its degradation in the 20th century. With air pollution and urban sprawl, he received many distinctions such as the Gold Medal of the Mexican National Expositions of Bellas Artes in 1874 and 1876.